Hi everyone! Today we have 2 wooden Christmas puzzles to put together. We'll count pieces, we'll learn colors, and we'll put together these cute Christmas puzzles. Here's all of our pieces. What do you think one of these puzzles is? Oh yeah! Let's look at our pieces and see if we can find the pieces that belong to this puzzle. Which of these pieces looks like it belongs to the first puzzle? What about this one? Does that look like it belongs? Let's see. No, that one doesn't go. If that brown piece didn't go, do you think one of the green pieces might? Let's try. There we go. This piece has got green, white, and gold. What do you think that puzzle might be? Good job, it's a Christmas tree. So if we started with the top piece, let's see if we can work our way down. Do these pieces get bigger or smaller than this piece? They get bigger. So let's see if we can find the biggest piece for our Christmas tree. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which of those pieces is the biggest? This one. This is the biggest piece to our Christmas tree, and it will go down here at the bottom. This piece has green, red, gold, and white. Is this green lighter or darker than this green? It's darker. So we know these pieces will be green because they're part of our tree. What do you think that piece is? That'll be the trunk of our Christmas tree. And it'll be brown. Most trees have brown bark around them. Some are different colors, but most are brown. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brown pieces. Which one do you think is the trunk of our tree? Great job! The trunk of our tree is a small brown rectangle. Now let's find the rest of the body of our Christmas tree. We have 1, 2, 3 pieces. Let's put them in there from biggest to smallest. Which of the 3 is the biggest? Awesome! Here's the next piece for our Christmas tree. It's got white, gold, and red ornaments. We have 2 left. Between these 2, which one is the biggest? Right! This piece has white, gold, and red ornaments as well. So we have 1 more piece for our tree. And here it is. Our Christmas tree was green with a brown trunk, and it had white, red, and gold ornaments. Some were balls, some were presents, some were bells, and others were snowflakes. Now let's work on our last puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Almost all of them are brown. Which piece do you think would go on top? Do you think the feet would go on top? No, that would be silly. Oh, okay. Here's the top. There's 2 antlers, 2 ears, and the top of the reindeer's head. His antlers are dark brown, the head is light brown, And there's some pink in the ears. What would the next piece be that goes below the ears? The reindeer's face. And our reindeer has 2 eyes, 2 pink cheeks, 1 mouth with a pink tongue, and a red nose. There's only 1 reindeer with a red nose. Do you know their name? Great job, Rudolph! Rudolph might have been different, but he used his bright red nose to save Christmas. Being different is what makes us all unique. We have 1, 2, 3 pieces left. 2 of them are his feet. So I'm gonna take this piece. What do you think this piece is? It's red and white? It's a scarf, and scarves help keep our necks warm. Down to our 2 last pieces. Let's take this one first. These are 2 of our reindeer's feet. Do you think they go here or here? Good job, they'll go here. So our last piece has the foot and the tail. And there's our reindeer. We have a Christmas tree and Rudolph. I hope you had fun and you have a great holiday season. Bye-bye!